Okay, so today's problem is find the prefix common array of two arrays. Let me read that one and I'll start solving. Okay, so right. Let me create a new page here. So what we have? We have A is equal 1, 3, 2, 4, and B is equal 3, 1, 2, 4. If I gonna and the result should be number of numbers that are matching. So like initially it's like a 0 match, then a second index it's like 2 numbers match starting from the index 0, and 3 like it's 3, and like 2 indexes 3, and 4 is 4. So it's the same. So I should so what if I'm gonna have just a set of A, set A, and set B, and in case next number from A is in set B, I'm gonna increase and number from in case it's is the number from A in set B, a number from B in set A. So here are gonna be a set A. Initially it's gonna be 1, and then set B 3, and then and that result I'm gonna check if A is actually in set B, no. If B in set A, no. Then result is 0. Then I'm gonna go to the next number. I'm gonna update the sets. Set A gonna be 3, 1, 3. Set B gonna be 3, 1. And then I check if the number from set A from A in set B, yes. So it's +1. And then if the number from set B from B is in set A, yes, so it's +1 again. 1 + 1, 2, so I write here 2. And then I move like 2, 2, and then 4, 4. And in this case, what should be in this case? In case I say I have like 2. So 2, 2. I added up to both sets. I check if 2 is in set A. Or I also need to check if they are the same. And in this case only add +1. And the same for 4. End of that. So if I go to this solution, let's say I have HashSet integer setA plus new HashSet, and then I'm gonna have HashSet integer setB plus new HashSet, and then 4 and I equals 0, and then also n equals a with length, then increment equals named n, and then for I less than n plus plus. And then I check. I first add setA and AI, setB and BI. If setA setB contains AI, then press 5 plus if set A contains BI and BI equals AI, I'm gonna do press E plus plus, and then in the end I'm gonna return press nope. Oh, I need to press if I greater than 0, press I, whereas I minus 1. Yeah, right now I'm thinking, what are the alternatives here? How I can solve it in other way without like the set A and set B? So this problem, they say it's topics, hash table, bit manipulation. The maximum value here, AI less than 50. So there must be better solution. What's interesting, like 2 to the power of 50, what can be 2 to the power of 50? I'm gonna be like the big number. Mm. So like number of permutations is gonna be 59 or like 50 by 49 by whatever, and until the 50 minus n, something like that. No, not really. So let's say we have numbers from 1 to n. So the number of permutations I should find first, like say for the first number can be, it can be like n places. For the second number it can be n minus 1 places. So number of permutations is going to be n factorial. So I should somehow okay, so it's like n integers, and then every integer from 1 to n can be represented in a binary number. Let's say 0 is there, then first bit should be like no, 1 is there, then let's say a first bit should be set within set, and then let's say 2 is there, then the second bit should be set, and then maximum can be like 50 bits for the set, and let's say 3 is there, then the third bit should be set, and then I'm gonna have a bit mask for the set. But the problem with the bit mask is that I need to have oh no, maximum 50 numbers, maximum up to the 50. If the n is like 50, this is gonna be 2 to the power of what? So 2 to the power of 3 gonna be 8, 2 to the power of 4 16, 2 to the power of 5 32, and 2 to the power of 6 64. So what maximum maximum need like 2 to the power of 6. So like just this plain integer will be enough for representing if the number is in a set or not. So I'll do that. So what my plan gonna be now? So instead of HashSets, I can substitute them with the integers, and like integer for the first hash set, integer a, and integer for the second set is going to be hash b, and then I can update their integer a and integer b based on their whether like what is that number, like if it's a number like 3, I should set the third bit to 1 in integer a. If it's like 50, if it's number 50, what should no I should set the 15th bit. So like I need to like, yeah, I need to have like 50 bits, not like 6 bits, but like 50 bits. How to do that with Java, I don't know. 2 to the power of 50, so it's like much bigger number. Let me check the solutions. What they have? Submissions. Let's check. Oh, frequency. Okay, frequency is also a good one. I haven't thought about frequency. That's nice. Okay, I wanna also check. Other things like, let's check this one. No, let's check this one. Frequency. So the top result, top solutions by CPU is actually frequency solutions. Okay, what's about Bitmask in Java? So I can use just long instead of int for the 2 to the power of 5. Yeah. So instead of this one, I can use integer, or like not integer, long equal initial is gonna be 0. Okay, long setA, long setB, and then ras setA add. So I wanna be setA equals setA or 1 AI, setB equals setB or 1 BI. And if for the contains I wanna say equals BI equals 1 BI, and then BI, and for the contains I wanna have this check set A, set B, and bits AI greater than 0, and that for this one set A and bits B I greater than 0, and that's one. What was that again? Apparent type for binary. Ah, okay. I need just one A and okay, good. Set A is equal to 0, set B is equal to 0. Okay, what if I gonna run it? Submit. Nope. Wonder why. Wrong answer. Okay. What? Maybe this one? No, it will not even pass. Yeah. Okay. Should I do this one? -1. And this one also. BI. -1. Use this case could run. What? There is somewhere an error and I don't understand where. If I do B, no, binary, B, binary, zero B. What do they say? Zero B, just zero B. Zero B. It should work like that. 1, 1. Ah, I got it. Maybe this one? One. Yeah, it was a problem with longs. So initially it was this integer. This one was integer. Okay. So it was overflow. A little bit better. Yeah, let's check what else, what other ideas do they have here. They have brute force. Okay. HashSet. 2 sets, okay. Okay. Simple path with frequency array. Okay. Frequency array would give us what kind of complexity of n space complexity. This one is better space complexity. It's gonna be like constant if you don't account for the long. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna claim this as a fail because I forgot um, to do what to do this update for the res, and that's why I fail. Yeah, that's it.